Thanks for joining us for News 5 at 6. I'm Kristen Kwan. It took a jury just 38 minutes to find Sean Williams guilty on all counts of producing child pornography. But as News 5's Caleb Perney explains, concluding his second federal trial in Greeneville on Thursday is far from the end of legal trouble for Williams.
The guilty verdict concluded the second of two trials involving Sean Williams at Greeneville's federal courthouse. Those cases are for producing child porn and Williams' escape from a prison transport van last year, where he was eventually captured a month later in Florida. Sentencing in February could put Williams in prison for up to 90 years, but that is not the end of the cases against him. News 5 is tracking at least 7 criminal cases against Williams, and he's at the center of 3 lawsuits. The likely next steps will be 2 federal cases in western North Carolina. They stem from his arrest at Western Carolina University in April 2023, where officers say they found Williams slumped over the steering wheel of his car at 2 a.m. with a bag full of hard drives in the back seat, which were later found to contain child porn. He's facing a charge of possession of meth and cocaine, a charge of transporting child porn across state lines, and 2 counts of possessing child porn. Meanwhile, there are at least 3 state cases against Williams in Washington County, Tennessee. Those include 2 counts of rape of a child, 1 count of aggravated rape of a child, 3 counts of aggravated sexual battery, and 20 counts of especially aggravated sexual exploitation of a minor. Court documents in those cases reveal other potential crimes where he's not yet been charged. The documents say the hard drives allegedly discovered in Williams' car included approximately 52 female victims depicted in images or videos being sexually assaulted by Williams. Johnson City Police and former officers are also still facing 3 separate lawsuits related to their handling of Williams' cases. A lawsuit by a former federal prosecutor who says she was fired for calling attention to the issue is on hold as the sides argue whether to require defendants to provide more evidence. A separate lawsuit by Michaela Evans, an alleged victim who says she fell out the window of Williams' condo, is also on hold. Defendants there argue they should not be required to provide evidence and that Evans has no standing. A third lawsuit by anonymous alleged victims is set for trial in August. Both sides are still arguing about what evidence officers must provide. Caleb Perney, News 5, WCYB.